For today's at-home experiment, I'm going to teach you how to make a barfing pumpkin for your next spooky party. Now, remember for you scientists at home, all kid scientists need their grown-ups' approval. So for this one, what you're going to need is some baking soda, lemon juice, green food coloring, and a pumpkin. So what we're going to see here is a standard acid-base reaction. Lemon juice is our acid, baking soda is our base. When we combine the two, they're going to react to create carbon dioxide bubbles. First, what we're going to do is we're going to add our baking soda to our pumpkin. You can just kind of pour as much in as you like. The more ingredients, the more barf. Now, I'm going to mix our green in with our lemon juice and make sure that our lemon juice is nice and green. Oh, that's perfect. That is perfect. Okay, and now get ready for some pumpkin barf. 3, 2, 1. Oh, and that is how you make pumpkin barf. Isn't that spooky?